About some free legal advice now, just an email away.
We're letting you ask the lawyer this morning. Personal injury lawyer Craig Ashton is here. He's going to be answering your questions today. Thanks for coming in.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Personal injury is pretty big. You know, a lot of people get hurt, and you really are here, you said, to find out whether Justin Timberlake is playing.
Justin Timberlake, Britney Spears.
Did you have tickets to the concert?
I did not. Okay. My wife wanted me to go, but unfortunately I was out of town.
Could be a personal injury case? You never know.
It could be a breach of contract.
All right, let's go with this first one we got in from Johnny in Rockland. He's got a back injury, thought he got bad care, wasn't able to see a doctor within 60 days, which apparently is required if it's a workers' comp thing. He's had all the exams he's supposed to have, and feels like he's being denied his case. So what can he do?
Well, ultimately, legal system's not about what happened. It's about what you can prove happened. So in this case, I don't know if you remember the Brady bunch. It's a great example. This is Brady backed out into that guy in the parking lot, and the individual hitter put on a neck brace, and so they went to court. Mr. Brady was pretty sure that he was faking, so he dropped his briefcase. The guy turned his neck, and he was faking. So the idea is it's about evidence. So in this case, you say your neck hurts, but I'm not sure by your email what evidence you have to support that. In the case that you work for a period of time, you must have had an MRI to identify the herniated disc, but because time has passed, maybe another diagnostic test from an evidentiary perspective could help. Clearly, getting a lawyer in this particular instance would make a big difference because it's rather complicated up till now.
Right. He basically wants to know if getting an attorney would speed it up. He said the insurance company kind of dragging their feet, so that would certainly get their attention.
Clearly. Insurance companies want to keep their money. They perform a valuable service, but we live in a capitalist society, and so the attorney's more like your tour guide, and they kind of lead you through the process so you don't get lost while you're doing it on your own.
Okay.
Okay. This one this is about an accident claim. It's about how do you go about filing a claim from an accident that happened a year ago. It's involving a motorcycle accident. Apparently they have all the information for the other party, but they really haven't been able to get in contact with that person.
Right. There's a couple different ways. The good news is if you're injured, you have 2 years. If it's property damage, you have 3. And there's a company called ML Research, and if you want to call them or look up on the internet, you can give them the information you have in the police report, and they'll give you their insurance if they have it. If not, small claims is a good avenue, because once you file a complaint and serve the defendant, if there is insurance, typically the insurance will magically appear. If not, you can give us a call and we can help you sort out through those issues.
But they still have time.
Still have time.
All right, and one more here. It says 2 weeks before she retired, her aunt fell and broke her knee at work. A co-worker took her to a hospital. She had plans to move up to Modesto. I guess it happened in the San Diego area. She's tried to seek legal advice in San Diego, but has been told she has no case. Wouldn't that be a workers' comp case? Even if it was 2 weeks before she retired, and she has retired since that happened.
It could have been 2 weeks before she retired and a meteor came in. At the end of the day, she was on the job. So that part's easy. The issue is that whether or not you can get an attorney here or in Modesto rather than San Diego. When I first started practicing law, I had a case all the way in Liechtenstein and near Switzerland. And ultimately, they had 1 year for bodily injury, 6 months if you were injured by a barn animal. So, that being said, all you have to do as a lawyer is know the jurisdiction, which would be California. So in this case, getting somebody in Modesto or Sacramento, no-brainer. Give us a call. We'll point you in the right direction.
All right, there you have it. Thanks very much.
Yes, you can get in touch with Craig Ashton at Ashton & Price by calling the number there on your screen, 877-MY-INJURY. You can also log on to our website, cw31.com, and look for their link.
Craig, thanks for coming in.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I would like to offer